Hey guys, say the final look of everything is finally starting to come together. I made a little sitting rock. It's not actually little, but getting there. Still got a lot of stuff to do, but and you can just sit on this rock right here. Yeah, I still gotta finish the rest of that area. And up there, I got little bits of stuff to do everywhere, and I think I like how I have like the logs and the rocks, but I might end up moving stuff still. And this is a gladiolus. But yeah, I think I like how I have everything, so I can start, finishing hiding the hoses and getting everything, hiding the liner over here, and stuff like that. Alright guys, just a quick look update. Hey, we're going.